Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and POCO M5S. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app and press screencast button located at the top of the screen. Select your TV and now your devices are connected. Thanks to this you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to disconnect your devices, again press screencast button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.